Hello, I'm Amber. Now I'm going to introduce the phonetic and phonology website with its in-class practice, parrot analysis of plural in English, and last is my own reflection during this course. In addition to practicing the minimal pairs of English sounds with IPA transcription, to demonstrate how the words are determined by phonological constraints, we also collected data to examine the distribution in the English data. To find out they are separate phonemes or allophones of the same phoneme. Later, we analyzed the difference between these two kinds of phonemes and provide some rules or arguments to finish our research. First is about minimal pairs of English sounds. On the right side is Table 1, minimal pairs of English sounds with IPA transcription. Table 1 demonstrates the course exercises we collected data for, showing our minimal pairs in the class practice chart. We learned that some words have similar pronunciation, but they don't have the same IPA symbol. Second is about separate phonemes versus allophones of the same phoneme. On the left side is Table 2. Examine the distribution of n and n in the English data. Table 2 demonstrates the course exercises we analyzed data for showing our in-class practice sheet of the distribution of n and n in English data. We analyzed that they are phonemes or allophones of the same phoneme. And if they were allophones, we would give a rule characterizing the distribution using distinctive features. If they are separate phonemes, we would offer an argument for our conclusion. And then is Table 3, data analysis of allophones or separate phonemes in Korean words. Table 3 demonstrates the course exercise we analyzed data in Korean words. We analyzed s and sh are allophones of the same phoneme or separate phoneme. Next is our team members. We have Benson, Amber, Remy, Ivy, and Arthur. Let's go to the next part. Parrot analysis, plural. Pronunciation of English regular plural suffix s. On the left side is Table 2, phonological rules for English regular plural suffix s. This is an in-class worksheet of phonological rules for regular English plurals. We find out different words from singular to plural and write down their IPA symbols. After we distinguish the narrow and broad transcription of each word. As shown in Table 2, we provide examples to illustrate the allomorphs in pronunciation changes when words become plural. In English, when the word changes to plural form, the pronunciation of the word often changes due to different allomorphs of the plural marker. In this example, the word cups, where s is pronounced as the word webs, where s is pronounced as z, and the word foxes, where es is pronounced as is. This variation occurs because they have different allomorphs. The divorcing rule occurs before the vowel insertion rule is, and s appears after the sibilant sound. Z appears elsewhere. And next is about how we analyzed plural phonetic features with parrot. Here we analyze and present the phonetic features of the phonemes alphabets. The following is Figure 1, the waveform and spectrogram of table, fox, and wave. We highlight the pronouns which have a voice bar and without voice bar in this figure. And when we discuss the characteristics of the sounds and there are several key points to consider, particularly regarding vocal cord vibration and the mechanism of sound production. Here are some aspects according to the example 1 that we can notice. First is about vocal cord vibration, and second is acoustic characteristics, and third one is place and manner of articulation, and the last one is how to observe. And the last part is my own reflection during this course. This semester, I felt more familiar with how to create a website. During this semester, we reviewed lots of knowledge about last semester and also gained something new. We spent lots of time on distinguishing the minimal pairs, allophones, and separate phonemes through many team discussions and take-home assignments. I believe each of us could have a deep understanding about phonology analysis. While we design this website and finish our term paper, the teacher helps us a lot. No matter how late we send the revised files, the teacher always sends comments as soon as possible. We can finish the 2 semesters design and assignments, all because the teacher helps us to make them perfect. Through this class, we have really learned lots of new things and skills. This is all my presentation. Thank you.